Alright guys, this is a 2018 Toyota Highlander, okay, third generation facelift. That means if you have a Highlander between 2016 and 2019, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change real quick, guys, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. You want me to reach more people? Share the video, alright? Anything you want to say about this vehicle, how you like it, everything. Is it reliable? Anything, put in the comment box, alright? And show your appreciation. Don't forget to show your appreciation and return the kindness by hitting the super thanks button. Look like a heart, right? Click on it, go through it, show your love, do your thing. That's what's up. I would appreciate it a lot from the bottom of my heart. And I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this oil change and how to reset the oil life too. All right? Come on, let's go, let's get it. Yeah. And I come here. This is how you open the hood right there. Okay. So you're gonna come over here, the latch is right here. Just push it up, okay? You're gonna need to hold it for a second because you need to put the kickstand over here, all right? For those that don't know. Then you come over here, pow, in your face. You see the oil cap? It tells you 0W20, full synthetic, that's what it takes. You need oil dipstick right here, all right? Radiator cap, windshield fluid, reservoir, ABS, mount, some fuse box, the battery, another fuse box, brake fluid reservoir, engine air filter, throttle, pretty much, coolant reservoir, the fan right here. All right, let's drain this oil. Pause. Down here where everything is beautiful. Come down here. Oil drain plug. Oil drain plug. The oil filter is right here, all right? Same design as other cars, but I had to do it for the people, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna use 14 millimeter for this drain plug. Ratchet 3/8. It doesn't matter the. Ooh, how's that oil? Can I got another 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles with it? Let me know. Oh, anything's hot. What oil's coming out like that? Ooh, okay. So that oil though. Yes. Alright, once you drain most of the oil, put the oil drain plug back. Not tight it. Don't go crazy on it. Tight it with the 14 millimeter socket, 3/8. Well, that's what I'm using right now. Snug it. Clean it. Ow. Let's do the oil filter now. Okay, right here. No biggie. I'm gonna remove this this one right here with a 3/8 extension. Some oil is gonna come out. Pause. Okay, everything's Gucci. Look like that. Everything's Gucci. There's an old ring over here. Okay, you can replace that if it's damaged. Reuse it if it's not. Now your oil filter. The package is gonna come with the old ring for this, the old ring for the housing, and this little guy. This little guy, you just put it in here like this, and you're gonna drain some of the oil that it's sitting in the oil filter. Okay. Wanna leave it there for a minute. My oil filter look like this, cartridge, okay? Okay, that's good enough. You don't need to go crazy with this. Counterclockwise to remove it. Now, be my guest if you want to replace that old ring, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not a big deal. Just pop it like that. Put the new one the same way, just like that. Everything is Gucci. Tied it with the 3/8 extension. That's good. Now I'm gonna grab this socket for the filter. Let me show you. You have two types. You have two types of oil filter tool. This one and this one. I'm gonna use this one. Since this oil filter tends to be a little bit hard to lose it, I'm gonna grab a 1/2 inch. Tap it all the way there. Now it's, there you go. I'm using a 1/2 inch ratchet. Filter is gonna come out now. Okay. Let me show you how this thing look like. That's a good light, right? That's a good light, I guess. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Grab this. Oops! Slippery, slippery. My bad, my bad. Remove the oil filter just like that. The oil ring right here. Just like that with the lock pick, non-chain. Okay. Now grab your brake cleaner. Do your thing, non-chain. Grab your oil, new cartridge, oil filter, pop, just like that. Grab the oil ring. Put it in there, just like that. Pop. You can lube it with the same oil. Grab it, put it like that. Now put it back. Put it back right now. No biggie. Ratchet. Tight it. There you go. Tight it a little bit more. That's it. Don't go crazy on that, right? Wipe it, clean your mess. Everything's Gucci over here, right? All right, grab your funnel. Put it right there. Get your oil. 0W20, by the way, okay? Full synthetic. I'm gonna pour 5 quarts, okay? All right, everything Gucci. I'm gonna put the oil cap back. Start the car. Don't worry about that. I clean after myself. Just a little bit. I wanna lube this because it gets dry, and then you don't get a good measure of the oil. Gucci. Engine stop running. Remove the oil dipstick. Wipe it. Let's test it. Almost there though. It's right here. Supposed to be right here about the dot. So, 1/4. One more quarter. Okay. All right. It might end up being 5.5. There you go. You see it right there, right? Very much. Okay. So it's 5.5. 5.5. Okay. 5.5 quarts. Tap it. I mean, put the cap back. Clean after yourself. Now let's reset the oil life. Come on. All right, the car is not running right now. Want to start the car. Car is running right now. You're gonna see the message that it says need maintenance. Oops, maintenance required. Okay, we got that. All we're gonna do is play with this. Pause. Okay, left, right, up, down, enter, go back. Okay, now here we're gonna go back. Scroll to the right. Go to the gear. And if it doesn't take you straight to the scheduled maintenance, you can scroll down. You're probably gonna get it right there. Scroll down until you see a scheduled maintenance. Enter. It's gonna ask you reset data. Scroll up. Yes. Enter. The data has been reset. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Alright. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo Ax. Hey, don't forget to support the channel. Alright. Don't forget to support the channel by clicking the super thanks button. You want me to reach more people, click on the share button. Anything you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box. Okay, if you're a new viewer, what you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Do it now. Activate the bell, so every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. GD, you know it's me, Donald Trump, with the pirates and all that. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Shout outs to my subscribers and viewers. Thank you for the love. I'm out deep.